How to change your name on Alibaba. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your name easy and fast on Alibaba.com app. So first thing you need to do is go to Alibaba. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go down here to my Alibaba and go to this page and click on your profile name, or you can click on your profile picture. Now it will take you to this page. On this page you will find the option to change your name. Click on it and you will be able to change it easy and fast like this. After you finish, click save here in the top and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.